So it is confirmed that this time it's gonna be Albert going to EVOS Legends. Actually kahapon pa pala to pero marami kasing ganap kahapon kaya hindi ko to nabanggit. At least alam nitong balita na to. Again, we're talking about playing time para kay Albert. Given na EVOS Legends, for the first time in a long while, hindi sila nakapasok ng MPLID playoffs noong nakaraang season 14. Meron talagang pagbabago na kailangan gawin. And I think both of the targets were met by EVOS and Albert. For Albert, gusto niya makapaglaro. Gusto niya magkaroon ng opportunity. And this is the best way to do it. Hindi ko lang sure kung kaya niyang buhatin ng siya lang mag-isa. Pero, alam mo yun, this is a start for EVOS to like get their glory right back. Kaya nga EVOS Glory, diba? Tapos para naman sa EVOS Glory, yun nga. Isa lang din siguro ang tinitignan ko dito is kung sino yung isasama nila kay Albert. They need to have someone, maybe like a big name, or maybe even a Filipino import if they're gonna go that route. But I highly doubt it given ng EVOS Glory has had really bad